Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Welcome to my talk. So today, I was given the task by CIDB to deliver a talk entitled Construction Site. Before I proceed, let me introduce about myself. My name is IR Muhammad Aniq Irfan bin Zahari. You can call me Aniq if you have any question when we proceed to lecture later. So for the first one, construction in civil engineering. What is construction? Construction is a process that consists of the building or assembling of the next subtopic, which is shoring. Shoring is a temporary construction falsehood support structure applied to a building or structure. In this regulation, it requires that all practical precautions to be taken to avoid danger to any person from collapse of structure. So, for common situation where shoring may be required, there are 4 situations. For the first one, it to give support to walls which are dangerous or likely to become unstable. The second one, to avoid failure of some walls caused by the removal of sub-adjacent support. The third one, during demolition works, to give support an adjacent building or structure. And the last one, to support the upper part of wall during formation of a large opening in the lower section of the wall. Basically, in shoring system, there are 3. For the first one is dead shoring, the second one breaking shoring, and the third one is flying shoring. We go to the one by one. For the dead shoring, we use to support dead loads which act vertically downward. It consists of a vertical prop or shore leg with a head plate, sole and some means of adjacent for tightening and bracing the shore. For the raking shore, we transfer the floor and wall loads to the ground by means of sloping strut or rakers. One raker for each floor is required and ideally should be an angle of between 40 degree and 70 degree which the horizontal. Therefore, the number of raker which can be used is generally limited to 3. For the last, flying shore have some function as a raking shore but have the advantage of providing a clear working surface under the shoring. It used between any parallel wall surface providing the span is not exceeds of 12 meters. Otherwise, the arrangement would become uneconomic.
For today, how we can start the discussion about our project?
Oh, I see. I have invited you to join this meeting to discuss that. So, basically, our project is to build an apartment near UiTM Shah Alam. We plan to build a conducive and low-cost apartment where students can rent during their studies in the university. Currently, we have prepared a budget for you. Adam, can you explain the budget to our contractor?
Alright, sir. So the budget for the construction is about 400,000 ringgit. This budget we already calculated based on the current prices and of the rent of the machine, worker, and the price tag of the raw materials. Any add-ons of the budget we can discuss when the budget is running. We will give you 40% deposit to when starting the project, another 40% when the project is half finished, and the last 20% when the project is done.
So, Mr. Alif, what is your opinion about the project? Did you agree about the budget?
The project is nice. I'm agreed. So let's start the works.
Hello, Assalamualaikum. Hello, Mr. Alif. I want to report about a problem during our construction.
Yes, Hafizuddin. So what is the problem?
I found some cracks on the wall of the building. So what should we do? Did you have any suggestions?
Oh, cracks? Seriously? How is possible? Can it be fixed? Wait, I have an idea. What about we use shoring?
Shoring.
Yes, shorings. We can use raking shores.
Oh, that is a great idea, Master. So I will discuss the idea with our workers.
Nice. Thank you, Hafizuddin, for the report. See you next time.
Okay, see you next time, Master.
So, in this meeting, I want to update about our project. So next, Mr. Afiq and Mr. Adam, I would like to inform you that we have a problem during the constructions. We found that the wall of the building cracks.
What? How is it possible?
Don't worry, Mr. Afiq. We have fixed it before it's getting worse.
How?
We use a wrecking shop as our solutions.
Really, Nadia, you did your job as well.
Yes, finally, we have done these projects. Congrats, Hafizuddin.
Congrats to you as well, Master.
Hahaha, we did it together, right? So let's celebrate our achievements.
Congrats both of you. I'm happy to work with you both as my contractor. Good job.
This is going to be your payment. Here's your 20%, and we are also adding 10% as a bonus because you have already handled your work like a professional. Okay, thank you.
Thank you, sir. I hope we can be partner again for the next projects.
Thank you, sir. I hope we can be partner again for the next project.
Tak apa yang merasuki